Hey gang, this is Jason from Major League Fab Tools and Training, coming to you live from sunny Las Vegas, Nevada, where, well, it doesn't really rain here, so it's nice and sunny. Today we're in, see where we're at today. We're in Studio 2 of one of 3 studios that we have. We're in Studio 2, the 12-volt Fab Kitchen, and today I'm working on designing some props for you guys for an upcoming event, and that's going to be KnowledgeFest Atlantic City, June 6th through the 8th of 2025. And we're going to be there, we're going to be teaching a class, and I'm super excited because we got a 2-time slot frame. That allows us to have more detail on the topic I want to talk about. We are now pulling in some paid aspects of our paid trainings. We're bringing some of that information to you at the Knowledge Fest itself. We're going to be covering lots of things, including underseat truck enclosures and some fast ways of making things and some tips and tricks along the way. But we're going to mostly focus on taking our basic sub enclosures that you build and making a good, better, best option. And what I mean by that is recall it. Well, you got to come to class to figure it out what we call it. But we're going to show you 3 different steps, 3 different levels to fit every budget along the way. And we're going to elevate your basic enclosure game into where it's going to land on. And on top of that, we're going to make sure that it's got your logo on it. So when your client is done and showing it to their friends, they know exactly where it's at. Every time somebody takes a picture because they're showing off, we're going to make sure it's branded so they know where to go to get that at. We're also going to always top off our class with billing on how to charge for this. We're going to show you the steps, the math, the science behind it to make sure that you get the proper money for your time and effort in designing and building these types of enclosures. So don't forget, it's going to be June 6th through the 8th. We're Saturday, once again, we are at 11 a.m. and Sunday, we're going to be at 9 a.m. And like with all our courses, just remember that everything we do is teachable, repeatable, predictable. And then to top it all off, it really makes it pizzazz. If you guys have known and been to our Knowledge Flow class, you know that BC, before COVID, we've been slowly building our mobile studio and the experience you get as the audience. And what I mean by that is, let me show you a quick little thing. You're going to be able to be looking on top of whatever we're showcasing, or a trip or a tick or an example of panel. We're going to be having that view like you're there doing it. It's much easier to see. Instead of looking at everybody's back of their heads, you can see what that is. You're not trying to peer through things. It brings a much better educational experience, and that's what we bring with our mobile studio. So come check us out, Atlantic City, June 6th through the 8th, 2025, Knowledge Fest. Be there, and we'll see you in class.